Hey there students, it's Miss Adams, and in this video we're going to learn about rewriting equations and formulas. Alright, so our first examples, one-step equation. So I have A equals L times W, area equals length times width, solve for W. So I'm going to separate my two sides. I want to get W by itself. It's connected to an L by multiplication. I'm going to undo the multiplication by dividing both sides by L. The L's will divide out, and I get A divided by L equals W. All right, M equals 2C minus S. Solve for C. So I want to get C by itself. It's connected to a 2 and an S. I'm going to get rid of the S by adding S on both sides. When I add S to M, it's just M plus S. I don't know what M is equal to, and I don't know what S is equal to. They are not like terms because they're not the same variable. And then I want to get C by itself, so I still have to divide by 2. I divide by 2 on both sides. There's nothing for me to actually divide 2 out of, so I'm just going to leave it as M plus S divided by 2 equals C. All right, number 3, D equals M divided by V. Solve for M. So I want to get M by itself. It's connected to a V by division. Fractions mean division. We undo division with multiplication. So I'm going to multiply both sides by V. Those V's will cancel out. And V times D equals M. All right. So some helpful hints. You want to think backwards of order of operations. So when we were doing order of operations, we did parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication, then division from left to right, then addition or subtraction from left to right. So you want to do the opposite. So addition or subtraction, you want to undo that first, then multiplication or division, undo that, then any exponents, and then any parentheses. All right. Volume equals 1/3 base times height. Solve for B. So I can get rid of the height. I could divide by H. And I get V divided by H equals 1/3 B. Then I can get rid of that fraction by multiplying by the reciprocal, which is 3 over 1. The reciprocal, you flip the fraction. 3 over 1, the 3's divide out, become 1. 1 over 1, that divides out, becomes 1. So I get 3V over H equals B. All right. A equals B plus C divided by D. Solve for B. First, I'm going to get rid of the D in the denominator by multiplying both sides by D. That cancels, so I get DA or AD, you can write them either way, equals B plus C. I'm going to move the C over by subtracting. So DA minus C equals B. AX plus BY equals C. Solve for Y. I'm going to move the AX over. I get BY equals C minus AX. And then I want to divide everything by B. I get Y equals C minus AX divided by B. All right, this one is the formula for degrees Celsius, and to convert it to Fahrenheit, we want to solve for F. So I want to rearrange the formula so I could just figure out what Fahrenheit is if I know the degrees Celsius. All right, so I'm going to get rid of that fraction by multiplying by the reciprocal, 9/5. So the fraction on the right side is gone. Now I have 9/5 C equals F minus 32. I'm going to add 32 to both sides. So 9/5 C plus 32 equals F. All right, that's it for now. See you next time.